Hey, what's up guys? Jerome here from the Bonsai Supply, and welcome to today's video. So I just came back from a recent trip to Orlando, Florida, where I visited one of my good friends, Benjamin Agresta, who happens to probably have one of the biggest and most incredible bonsai backyard gardens in the United States. What makes his backyard so special is that his trees are of really high quality, but also they are really enormous. They're huge. Some of his trees, I should say most of his trees actually, they need to be moved with a skid steer, and they are even bigger than I am. They are gigantic. So I wanted to take you along and share with you those trees of his backyard. So those are some of my favorite trees, and you might even recognize a few of his trees because they came from my original bonsai collection. So without further ado, let's go meet Benjamin and let's check out his really cool backyard.
Welcome to Agresta Gardens in Orlando, Florida. We have over 330 humongous trees. Come take a look.
Hey, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoy bonsai content, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and check out our new book, Freestyle Bonsai. Available now for pre-order on Amazon.com in the US, Canada, Australia, and Europe. And if you have already pre-ordered it, make sure that you participate for a free Zoom session on our website, thebonsaisupply.com. See you guys next time.